guys, it's Cassie. Welcome to my channel if you're new. Welcome back to my channel if you're a seasoned member of the 202 crew and you know how we get down in this weird luxury loving corner of YouTube. Yes, today I am back with a what's in my bag Dior Saddle Bag edition. Yes, we're going to get into this, we're going to get personal, we're going to get nosy, because that's what what's in my bags are about, getting nosy. But before we lift the lid, do you like what I did there, on this video, guys, if you're not already subscribed, I'm gonna need you to subscribe. There, I finally got it out of my mouth. Yes. Click the red button, turn on the notification bell, you know the deal. Everybody asks you to do it, so just do it. Just do it. Okay, shall we start? Let's start. I've got a whole full in-depth, I cannot speak. I have a full in-depth first impressions of when this bad little bitch turned up at my door a month or two ago, 2 months ago. Oh, she's still such a young child. Yes, my full reaction of that, I was very excited and excitable, and it was up there within the top 5 moments of my life. Yes, don't judge me, thanks. Okay, so here she is. This is her with the blue logo, whatever the hell this is, icon, the blue one. She's blue, okay, and this is the bigger size. They do a smaller one, but she was just looking too small for me. I need a little bit more room. Leather strap, gold CD detailing. We've got the gold D swanging from the bag. She's chic, she's shaped like a saddle, and she can fit in more than you'd think. So, pop the trunk. Just starting off, I have my camera for when I'm trying to, you know, just up the Instagram game a little bit. You know the deal, you know what I'm talking about. This is the Sony RX100 Mark IV. Is it any good? It's fine, it gets the job done, it's pretty small and nifty, and it fits in. So there we go, camera. The next thing is wallet. I mean, where are we going to put the cash? This little one is from Quanpin, which I believe is a Singaporean brand. I have no idea whether or not I'm right. But yeah, I just like it because it's small. It fits into the majority of bags. Look, she's not a big bag. She's a small bag. Fits in. Yeah, and you still have the room for things. Let's see if there's anything interesting. I have a dry cleaner's receipt. I have all my cards and boring things. I have loyalty cards and vouchers that I have and will probably only decide to use after they've expired. I cannot be the only person that does that. Please comment below to let me know that I'm not alone, okay? Got some coins. Oh, she's got cash in her purse for once. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have £6. Ballin', £6, and I have another loyalty card. So, guys, quit the jobs. We're balling out. Yes, then we have my keys, my house keys, that also have another loyalty card on it. I have this dangling bling little chili that my boyfriend's mother got me as a cute little gift, and she's cute. And it also means that I just close my eyes, put the hands in my bag, and I can feel where the keys are. Nifty, nice little concept. Keys. Okay, then we have a cute tiny little pack of Hello Kitty tissues. I'm sorry, okay, and I know I'm 25, but this is a tiny little cute pack of tissues with Hello Kitty on the front, rubber-dub-dubbing a tiny teddy, and it says, nice and clean bath time is my little luxury. Bath time is my little luxury. Hello Kitty. Must we full name her? As in, if I want to address her, is it Kitty, or do I have to say Hello Kitty every time? One of life's questions. Then we also have, my parents came back from Japan and got me this Lucky Charm. It's very cute. It's like pink and embroidered. Please focus so that you can see. Please focus. Can you see? Yeah, and it's like a lucky charm that you're meant to keep with you in your bag, and this one is for good health. So, much like those, you remember those threads on like MSN and Bebo and like MySpace and whatever, which was like, if you don't repost this, a clown is going to crawl up from under your bed in the night and stab you 9 times. Much in a way that I don't want that to happen to me, so I reposted. I'm still keeping this in the bag for good luck. Just in case. AirPods. Guys, I'm telling you, if you haven't got the AirPods yet, they are great, okay? Great for the gym, just put in and off you go. I love these AirPods. I have a tiny bag, a tiny little bag full of Cassie's emergencies, which include 2 different types of hairband. Got one of these round, squiggly, fancy ones here. You know what? I don't know what the deal is with those. They're not that, these aren't that great, okay? But, I mean, they do the job. One of those, a classic, and then I have 4 paracetamol tablets and 4 biotin tablets because a gal is trying to get her hair looking good and not dry as the Sahara Desert, so I'm trying to take biotin supplements and whatever. That's that. Then we have another little pouch which is just full of gum. I really have no justification for having gum. Nobody should have to justify why they have gum in their bag. Then, ooh, hand sanitizer. So this is Copacabana coconut flavour scent. And this is from, what's it called? Bath & Body Works in America. I also have the Fenty Beauty oil blotting sheets that come in this fancy little dispenser, eh? And look at that, tiny mirror on it too. Nifty. And then I also have this Chanel hand cream. Okay, by the way, this is absolutely the cutest thing. Worth it. It comes in an egg, and to dispense it, literally, I mean, you squeeze the egg. It's so cute and chic and I love it, and I actually worry every day that it's going to run out. I think they're like £40 or something, which is ridiculous for a hand cream, but also Chanel, so look, she's pretty empty. You can get a lot in here, let me tell you. What else do I have? I have the card of authenticity to say that, you know, she's a real bitch. And then I also have, haven't told you this story. I bought a pair of Gucci sunglasses, okay? They broke, so I took them into repair. And then they had the audacity to want to charge me the same amount that it was to buy the glasses to fix them. So I kicked up a fuss, and now they should be fixing them free of charge because I literally had them 3 weeks and then they broke. It was terrible and not a service I expect of Gucci. Anyway, that was a long story to tell you that this is the little pouch that they give you to with your claiming receipt when it's fixed and you go to the shop to claim it. Cool, thanks for coming to my TED Talk, people, my long ass description. So there we go, guys, that was everything that was in my bag. She's empty and she's ooh, we have something in the back. Ooh! Oh yes, she has a tiny little pouch at the back that I seem to be storing tickets. Ticket to see Kevin Hart. Last weekend I went to go see Kevin Hart doing stand-up and it was a gross disappointment. But anyway, that was everything in my bag. She's empty, she's glorious, I love her. Guys, if you've been thinking about getting the saddle bag, just do it. She is honestly just a glorious addition to my wardrobe and life. I am going to look after her and love her, and guess what? If I ever have a daughter or something and she wants to flex, I'll be like, bitch, flex with the saddle, and all of your little friends won't know what's hit them. Isn't that just, that's just what I live life for? To eventually have children that can flex on all their friends. Guys, thank you so much for watching my video. Like this video if you enjoyed it, leave a comment down below, subscribe if you haven't already. Guys, have an amazing morning, afternoon or evening, wherever you are in this world, and I will see you in my next video. Mwah! Bye guys.